Hey there, nature enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting exploration of the wonders of our natural world. Today, I'm going to share something truly fascinating with you. It's a story of survival, ingenuity, and the incredible adaptations of one of nature's most resilient creatures. Have you ever wondered how creatures survive in the harshest environments on Earth? Deserts, with their extreme temperatures and scarce water sources, pose a significant challenge to life. Specifically, how do desert beetles manage to collect water from thin air? These tiny insects have developed some of the most fascinating survival strategies. Well, let's dive right in and uncover the secrets of these remarkable beetles. Desert beetles, especially the Namib desert beetles, have developed a remarkable adaptation to survive in one of the driest places on Earth. Their survival techniques are nothing short of extraordinary. The Namib desert only receives about 0.5 inches of rainfall per year, but these beetles thrive despite the extreme aridity. Imagine living in a place where rain is almost non-existent. So how do they do it? How do they manage to find water in such a barren landscape? It all starts with their unique exoskeletons. These exoskeletons are not just for protection, they play a crucial role in water collection. The surface of these beetles is covered in tiny bumps and grooves. These intricate structures are perfectly designed for their water collecting needs. These specialized structures are key to their water collecting trick. Each bump and groove has a specific function in this ingenious process. Here's how it works. Early in the morning, when the fog rolls in from the Atlantic Ocean, the beetles climb to the top of sand dunes and position their bodies at an angle. This positioning is crucial for maximizing water collection. The bumps and grooves on their backs play a crucial role in this process. The design of their exoskeletons is a marvel of natural engineering. The bumps are hydrophilic, which means they attract water. This property is essential for capturing the tiny droplets of moisture from the fog. As the fog condenses on these bumps, tiny droplets of water form. These droplets are the lifeline for the beetles in such an arid environment. The surrounding grooves are hydrophobic, repelling water and guiding these droplets straight to the beetle's mouth. This efficient system ensures that not a single drop is wasted. Imagine nature's very own version of a water slide. But that's not all. The beetles have more tricks up their sleeves to ensure their survival. The beetles have another trick up their sleeves. They can also collect water through a process known as fog basking, which is equally fascinating. By standing with their heads down and rears up, they maximize the surface area exposed to the fog. This posture is a clever adaptation to increase water collection. This allows them to gather as much water as possible, which then runs down their bodies and into their mouths. It's a simple yet highly effective method of hydration. This incredible water collection method is not just a survival strategy for beetles, but it's also inspiring humans. Scientists and engineers are taking notes from these tiny creatures. Scientists and engineers have been studying these beetles to develop new technologies for water harvesting in arid regions. The potential applications of this research are vast and could help address water scarcity issues. Imagine using nature's design to solve some of our biggest challenges. But why does this matter? Understanding and mimicking nature's designs can lead to breakthroughs in technology and sustainability. Well, the Namib desert beetle is a perfect example of how life adapts to extreme conditions. It shows us the incredible resilience and adaptability of living organisms. It shows us the beauty and ingenuity of nature. These beetles are a testament to the power of evolution and natural selection. It's a reminder that even in the harshest environments, life finds a way to survive. The desert, though seemingly barren, is full of life and wonder. So the next time you find yourself marveling at the resilience of nature, think of the humble desert beetle. These tiny creatures have mastered the art of water collection in one of the most unforgiving places on our planet. These tiny creatures have mastered the art of water collection in one of the most unforgiving places on our planet. And who knows, maybe their ingenious methods will inspire new solutions for our own water needs. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, nature often holds the answers to our most pressing problems. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow nature enthusiasts. Your support helps us bring more amazing content to you. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of our world. See you next time. Until then, keep marveling at the incredible adaptations of nature.